Welcome to the Hip Hop Tutor robotics series, where we break this tech down smooth, simple, and hands-on, so you can build like a pro and keep it fresh. Every robot starts with the basics, the parts that move, sense, think, and hold everything together. Power is the heartbeat of the whole setup. Steady voltage keeps your robot from acting wild or shutting down on you. Actuators are where the action happens. They turn electricity into motion, so your robot can actually do something. Sensors give your robot awareness, distance, light, touch, all the little details it needs to react right. The microcontroller is the brain. It reads the sensors, runs your code, and tells every part what to do next. The chassis is the body. It holds everything in place and keeps your robot from wobbling like a loose shopping cart. Then you dial in the wiring. Clean cables mean fewer shorts, fewer headaches, and way smoother troubleshooting. After that, the code brings personality. Loops, conditions, and sensor checks shape how your robot behaves in real time. Next, you link the sensors with the code. That's when your robot stops guessing and starts to use logic. Then you test the motion. Wheels turning, servos rotating, everything functional so the robot moves based on the code on the microcontroller. And finally, when all the systems come together, you've got a project ready for testing, tweaking, and leveling up your build. And that wraps up the essentials. Now keep building, keep experimenting, and keep leveling up with Hip Hop Tutor.
Hey, the beat! Thank you for tuning in to Hip Hop Tutor. From the streets to the tech, you can build the future.